Pakistani and you watching Mr. Pakistan. I am Pakistani and you watching Mr. Pakistan at a great video. I'll teach you. How I made this. I made a deeper demo you. That's why I made a stitch. I did a 4 stitch with a thin stitch and banded create a 2 in one side and 2 in one side, and then by the thread to make a thick stitch which is dry and it is also burn proof. And then I tie 1 feet wire, element wire to the ends and then an alligator clip. You can use PVC pipes with elbows if you like. We are made up with PVC pipe as well as woods, couple of woods with nails. But in my case, in my case, there I give you a little bit demo, so that's why I use this kit. It is good for demo. So I use a 4 stitch together parallelly to the other and then wind at 3 layers of thread. This turn to this turn. Then cut this filament wire about 1 feet and tie there and tie there. And the clip there and there. You can use elbow joints and pipes, PVC pipe which is a 222 diameter or 0.5 inch pipes, or you can use any wood. It will also be worth, and you can design different ways, but just like a demo, you can design different styles. But in my case, I will use a little bit deeper demo. That's why I made this so simple one using couple of stitches, threads and wires. Now I made this styrofoam, although I don't have styrofoam. So what I tend to do right now, cut a cat, draw on a paper. You can use a styrofoam, but I don't have styrofoam right now. I use a paper, so that's why it is difficult to cut with paper. Is maybe it might be that off, little bit off. Now remove. That's excess paper out. And now in the downside, how do I cut the one leg of the cat? You then say this is not a cat, it doesn't like that. This is paper is a flexible paper. That's why always use styrofoam or thermopole. I don't have thermopole. Right now I use a paper. Now I cut this right away. I don't know why this some reason is very hot. Because if I select a 1 fit. Now I cut this, it will look like that. Although it is a black dot, it will look like a dot, but very crappy dot. Very crappy dot. And here it burn all the way up bottom to up. So this is a paper, so that's why it will look a little bit wobbly. In case of styrofoam or cardboard, it's working very well. And if you just can meet them next video, you can pause.